Today we have to discuss about the questions of West Bengal School Service Commission first SLST 2016 for class 11 and 12. Question number 9 is, if W be a proper subspace of a finite dimensional vector space, then option A, dimension W not less than dimension V, option B, dimension W not less than equal to dimension V, option C, dimension W less than equal to dimension V, option D, dimension W equal to dimension V. Solution: since W be a proper subspace of a finite dimensional vector space V, then we can write W subset of V. This implies dimension W less than or equal to dimension V. If W equal to V, then dimension W equal to dimension V. But in the question, W be a proper subspace of a finite dimensional vector space, so W not equal to V, so we get W subset of V. This implies dimension W less than equal to dimension V, so C is the correct option. Question number 10. The sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix 5, 4, 1, 2 is option A 2, option B 7, option C 3, option D 1. Solution: we know that the sum of the eigenvalues of any square matrix A equal to the trace of A. Trace means the sum of diagonal elements of A. Here the diagonal elements are 5 and 2, so 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Hence the sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix 5, 4, 1, 2 is 7. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 11 is, the distance between the pair of lines represented by the equation x square minus 6xy plus 9y square plus 3x minus 9y minus 4 equal to 0 is option A 3 by root 10, option B 1 by 2, option C root 5 by 2, option D 1 by root 10. Solution: we have x square minus 6xy plus 9y square plus 3x minus 9y minus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 3y whole square plus 3x minus 3y minus 4. Now we factorize x minus 3y whole square plus 4x minus 3y minus x minus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 3y, taking common x minus 3y, then x minus 3y bracket close, x minus 3y plus 4, taking common minus 1, so x minus 3y minus minus plus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 3y plus 4, taking common x minus 3y plus 4, then x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Either x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0, or x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. This is 1, this is 2. Clearly, equation 1 and equation 2 are parallel straight line. Let P1 be the perpendicular distance from the origin 0, 0 to x minus 3y plus 4. Then P1 equal to 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 4 by root over coefficient of x, that is 1 square, plus coefficient of y whole square, mod of 4 by root 10. Let P2 be the perpendicular distance from the origin, that is 0, 0 to the straight line x minus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. So P2 equal to 0 minus 3 into 0 minus 1 root over coefficient of x whole square plus coefficient of y whole square, mod of this equal to 1 by root 10. Since the constant term of this straight line is plus 4, that is positive, and the constant term of this straight line is minus 1, that is negative. So if this straight line lies one side of 0, then this straight line will lie opposite side of 0. मान लो ए एक्स एक्सिस है, ए वाई एक्सिस है, ए 0 पॉइंट है. Since the constant term of this straight line is plus 4, so मान लो कि ये जो straight line है इसका पिक्चर ये वाला है. Since the constant term of this straight line is minus 1, that is negative, so मान लो ये क्या होगा, 0 के ऑपोजिट साइड में रहेगा. This is P1 and this is P2. So the distance between two straight line is P1 plus P2. The distance between two given lines is P1 plus P2. This equal to 4 by root 10 plus 1 by root 10. This equal to 5 by root 10. This equal to root 5 whole square by root 5 into root 2. Root 5 cut cancel. So root 5 by root 2 equal to root 5 by 2. So correct answer is option C is the correct answer. Root 5 by 2. Question number 12 is the set of integers z is with respect to addition plus and multiplication dot. Option A ring but not a field. Option B, a field but not a ring. Option C, a ring and a field. Option D, neither a ring nor a field. Solution. We have set of integer z equal to 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, ... Clearly 0 belongs to z is an additive identity. Z comma plus is a commutative group. Z comma dot is a semigroup. That is, Z satisfies closure and associative property under multiplication. Z comma plus comma dot satisfies the distributive law. Distributive laws, left distributive law and right distributive law. Hence, Z satisfies all the condition of ring, so Z is a ring. Z comma plus comma dot is a ring. Again, 1 belongs to Z is the multiplicative identity and let 2 belongs to Z, then there exists no integer x in Z such that 2 into x equal to 1. So this implies 2 has no inverse element. 2 has no inverse element in Z. Hence, we conclude that every element of Z has no multiplicative inverse in Z. Therefore, Z comma plus comma dot is not a field. So option A ring but not a field is the correct option. अगर वीडियो को अच्छा लगे तो ज़रूर दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना, क्योंकि उन लोगों भी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से हेल्प ले सकते हैं। फिर मुलाकात होगा अगले वीडियो में रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन के साथ। थैंक यू।